Alright guys, good morning and welcome to another Alpha.fx market analysis. We're gonna start reviewing yesterday AUDJPY long. It gave us 2 hours. We started the week with a winner. Basically at 11:30 I moved the stop loss to break even after being over 1 hour in profits. The reasoning behind that is because price started to reject and to reverse, right, with some strength, which I didn't like. So I checked the charts again and I realized we had a clear supply zone on the daily, and that supply zone was overlapping the descending moving average, the daily descending moving average. So we had a confluence that could give us a strong reaction to the downside in order to protect our money, to protect our capital, to protect our position. I moved the stop loss to break even and I let all the community know about that, right? The stop loss was never hit, right? Price didn't come back to the break even point. It did approach, so it depends on each broker. If you had a wide spread on price, you might have been taken out. Else, price after approaching our entry price rallied all the way to our take profit. The result plus 2 hours, we started the week with a winner, and that's it. Now we are gonna move over to today market outlook and market analysis. So we have we start with the economic calendar. We have at 4 p.m. CV consumer confidence. By that time, we are most probably out of the market. Then we move on to heat maps. Let's see what we have here. Let me just refresh this in case it's not updated. But it's usually auto refreshing. Wow. Crypto is very bearish. Not for long, but yeah. Okay, so let's do a screen cap here and let's take our conclusions and put it down on our market analysis template. What do we have? Euro, strong, fully strong. Second, USD. We are bearish on the USD, so we don't even consider this as a bullish USD. For sure, it's pulling back. We're gonna check it, but it's pulling back. I checked it earlier, and it's pulling back from the big drop on Friday due to Powell's speech. But it's expected to continue the downward move, right? Because fundamental hasn't changed. It's just profit-taking move. Nothing more than that. So the strongest here, of course, is gold. By the way, about gold, I'm gonna make another video explaining a specific weekly strategy that I have that is over 80% profitable. It doesn't happen all the weeks, but when it happens, there is a 80% probability that you're gonna end up winning if you set the right trade at the right level, and of course it's triggered. So let's stick to this. Euro the strongest together with CAD, right? Yeah, Euro and CAD. And the weakest is CHF and NZD. CHF. Actually, yes, look, CHF and NZD against each other are both in green. How that happens, right? But NZD is a little bit stronger, so yeah, CHF and NZD. Okay, now let's move on to DXY, lower time frame order flow. I already wrote this because I checked it, but let's get to the charts, right? DXY, there we go. Beautiful rejection candle, and we can expect for now a bearish continuation move. Took overnight highs. This is the 1 hour. No, This is maybe London, yesterday London. Oh yeah, overnight highs. And now heading, this is a bearish reversal. Oh, we're still bullish. And it rejected the moving averages on the 15. So we should break below this in order to confirm bearishness on the US dollar. But I do see this going down. We have a considerable supply zone here. We can put it here, and yeah. All right. So I'm expecting the dollar to fall strong. I think this is gonna do something like this, maybe this, testing it, and boom. Continue going down. So we're gonna be looking to long. Let's go back here. Euro against CHF, or Euro against NZD, or CAD against CHF, or CAD against NZD. Right? Let's move on to Euro CHF, and let's see what we have. Euro CHF, Euro CHF. Where are you? Don't have you here? That's Euro CHF. Euro CHF. Euro CHF. Let's check the daily. So we should be longing, right? Check the weekly. The thing about Euro CHF is that they are highly correlated, so market don't move that. Well, here we have a pretty trendy market on the weekly, right? We go on the daily. Did we already take? Yes. It looks pretty bearish here too. See 16 hours. Bearish, 4 hours. Bearish. Guys, we are not long in Euro CHF. Makes absolutely no sense. No. Okay, discarded. Euro CHF. Discarded. Now Euro NZD. That can be interesting. Let's check it. Euro NZD. So look at this, guys. Totally bullish, beautifully bullish. That's what I want to see when I want to long something. Bullishness all across the board. I have this. That was on Friday. No, this was on Wednesday. This was because of the New Zealand rate cut. We already did the pullback. Let's check. In the lower time frames, we are still bearish. We're still bearish in the lower time frame. All right, let's move on to. We might not have any trade for today. CHF, CAD CHF, CAD CHF, CAD CHF. I don't know if I have it here, CAD CHF. Yes, I have it, CAD CHF. So, long in CAD against CHF. First, I want to see bullishness. Nope. Nope. I have this supply zone, then this. So for you to see, guys, we have a supply zone right here. Then we have another supply zone right here. So it wouldn't make any sense, right, to short from here, to long from here. So many supply zones above us. Another one right here. Supply. Yep. Our demand zone is here. I'm just checking, guys. Wow. Totally absurd. The 1 hour will give you a stop loss of 2 pips. Absurd. Let's move on. CAD CHF is a no also. And New Zealand CAD. Last chance, guys. Last chance. New Zealand CAD. NZDCAD. It should be bearish. Beautifully bearish. Bearish, interestingly bearish. Bearish, and I'm starting to like it. Bearish, and we have a gorgeous, I'm gonna put it there just for the sake of it, but a gorgeous supply zone right there. I don't think if that I even want to go below that. Look, 12 pips, 13 pips. I like this. I really like this. New Zealand dollar long and Canadian dollar is short for the non-commercials. Interesting. However, we are very all across the board, so this is gonna be a trade, guys. This is gonna be a trade. I like it, I take it. Period. I'm gonna do this. Okay, and I'm gonna check here this trade in the beautiful. It's a beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Okay, guys. You have it there. Let me show it again. Entry price 0.8102. Stop loss 0.8116. Take profit 0.80756. Alright, guys, that would be all for today. We have it, our high probability trade. Let's take it. Respect your rules, follow your plan, right? Follow your rules, follow your plan, and be enough at everything you do. See you guys. Take care. Bye bye.